not letting go!
No, me neither.
Help me, please! Watch out, it's moving!
Whoa, I'm falling!
Oh my God, viewers, look at this video. Today, I'm bringing you an amazing cartoon niche that you can create using 100% free AI tools. In this video, I'm also going to solve a common problem that many people face while using Meta AI. I'll show you how to create these cartoon-style videos completely for free, and also teach you how to remove unwanted people from your scenes. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, head over to YouTube. Once you're on YouTube, search for the channel Milo the Rat. Oh my God, viewers, just take a look at this channel. It's absolutely amazing. The channel has over 17.8K subscribers, and if we talk about its estimated earnings, it is fully monetized and making around 10.7K per month, which is a very impressive amount. Now, if we open the popular videos section, you can see videos with 14 million views, 1 million views, 2 million views, and many more videos with hundreds of thousands and even millions of views. This clearly shows that this niche has huge potential. If you create content like this consistently, you can also monetize your channel and start getting views on a regular basis. Take a close look at all the videos uploaded on this channel. Every video is highly engaging, entertaining, and professionally made. One thing you'll notice is that there is a rat character that remains consistent throughout all the videos. So today, we are also going to create our own story, while keeping the rat character consistent across every scene, and we'll do everything using 100% free AI tools. Alright viewers, I already have a master prompt prepared. You can find this master prompt in the description of my YouTube video. Inside this master prompt, I have included everything you need: image prompts, video prompts, voiceover scripts, scene descriptions, and all the necessary details. Everything is organized scene by scene, so you won't need to do any extra work. Of course, if you want to write your own custom scenes, you can do that as well. Simply copy the master prompt and head over to ChatGPT. Once you're inside ChatGPT, paste the prompt and hit enter. And just like that, boom. Oh my God, viewers! You can see that ChatGPT has generated everything automatically. Scene 1 includes an image prompt, a video prompt, and a voiceover. Scene 2 includes an image prompt, a video prompt, and a voiceover. Scene 3, Scene 4, and all the remaining scenes are generated in the same format. Once all your scenes are ready, simply copy everything and save it inside a document file. This will make it easier to use the prompts later. Now let's move on to the image generation section. For images, we're going to use Flow AI, which is a completely free AI tool. I'll generate the images using Flow AI, and later I'll show you how to use Meta AI for video generation and how to remove unwanted people from your videos. Let's start with the first image prompt. I'll copy the prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and click on the Generate button. After waiting for a few moments, boom! Viewers, take a look at this result. The image is incredibly detailed, high quality, and looks absolutely stunning in full HD. Now I'll copy the second prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate again. After a short wait, boom! Oh my God, viewers! The second image is also ready, and the result looks absolutely amazing. Now I'll continue the same process for scenes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'll keep copying each prompt, pasting it into Flow AI, and generating the images one by one. Alright viewers, now I want to show you the final results because they are truly incredible. And after generating all the images, boom! Viewers, all of my images are now ready. Just look at these results. They are highly engaging, powerful, and visually stunning. You can clearly see how amazing this rat cartoon story looks. Once you have reviewed all the images, simply download them one by one in 2K quality. Now it's time to move on to the video generation section. Okay viewers, now you simply need to open the Meta AI website. In this section, I'm going to teach you how to generate videos and also show you how to remove the Meta AI logo, just like I promised earlier. First, click on the Create option. After that, upload your first image. Once the image is uploaded, paste the prompt that includes both the video prompt and the audio prompt. After selecting your preferred aspect ratio, simply click on the Generate button. As you can see, my first video has started generating. You just need to be a little patient because it usually takes around 1 to 2 minutes. After waiting for a short time, you'll see the generation process begin. And after waiting for a moment, boom! Oh my God, viewers, my video is now ready. Just look at the quality. Meta AI is completely free, and the results are absolutely amazing. The quality speaks for itself. Now I'll upload my second image. Just like before, I'll add the video prompt and voiceover prompt, then click on Generate again. As you can see, it's generating right now. After waiting a little while, boom! Viewers, take a look at this result. Everything looks incredibly engaging, powerful, and professional. The animation is smooth, the voiceover is included, and my second video is now ready. Now let's talk about the main issue. When you download the video directly from Meta AI, you may notice that a Meta AI logo or watermark appears on the downloaded file. For example, I've already downloaded a sample video, and you can clearly see the Meta AI logo displayed on it. So what should you do? Simply click on the Share option and copy the video link. After copying the link, move over to the Manus AI website. Once the website is open, sign in using your Google account. After signing in, paste the copied video link and enter the following instruction. Please download this video without watermark. Once you've entered the instruction, simply send it. Okay, viewers, now watch this carefully because I'm about to show you something amazing. The tool will start processing the request. As you can see, it's currently thinking and working on the task. And after a short wait, boom! The task has been completed successfully. Let me zoom out and show you the final result. As you can see, there is no visible logo on the downloaded video. I'll open and play the video once again so you can verify it yourself. This is absolutely amazing, viewers. Now let's move back to the Flow AI tool because in the next step, I'll show you how to continue creating the remaining scenes and combine everything together to build a complete cartoon story video from start to finish. Now I'm going to generate the videos from here because I want to show you another method that gives very impressive results. As you can see, I have already selected all of my images one by one. Now all you need to do is type Add Animation in the prompt box. After that, click on the video option and let the AI do the rest. As you can see, all of my videos have started generating. You just need to be a little patient because the process may take a few moments to complete. And just like that, boom! Viewers, all of my results are now ready. Take a look at these videos. Each clip is around 8 seconds long and comes with animation and voiceover. The quality is absolutely amazing, and you can easily download all of these videos in 720p quality. Just look at the results. The animations are smooth, the scenes are engaging, and the overall storytelling looks very professional. Everything is powerful, attractive, and ready for upload. Now our complete cartoon story is finally ready. As you can see, with the help of free AI tools, we have generated images, converted them into videos, added voiceovers, created animations, and completed an entire cartoon story from start to finish without spending any money. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and found it valuable. If you learned something new from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another exciting AI tutorial. Until then, take care, stay creative, and keep building amazing content. Goodbye, everyone.